I am so excited to share the following feature update with you. It is with regards to the Pro Wallet. If you go into menu and you just go to the bottom, almost there at the bottom, like you will see there is the menu option for your One4Me Pro Wallet. You can just click on that and it'll take you to your Pro Wallet. Okay, and this is what that screen kind of looks like. That amount that's shown over there is the live amount that is available in your wallet right now to withdraw. But obviously you can't withdraw that amount because it is not over the minimum amount, which is 160 Rand. And remember, there's always a 10 Rand transaction fee. But this is what I want to show you now. Okay, this is a new feature today as well, is to top up your wallet. So you can click on there and you can add money using PayFast or through PayFast to put money into your live wallet, and that money will be available straight away. Then also we have now transfer funds. So what that means is that you can transfer money from your wallet into anybody's wallet who is a One4Me user. Okay, let me show you how that works. So you click on transfer funds. It'll then take you to a screen where it shows you your current balance and how much is available to transfer. Then you go and you search for a user, or you put in the username, and this has to be exact. You have to know the username of the person you want to transfer the money to. Verify the user, and then you will see there will be a profile pic, the username, and then when that person joined. Is this the correct person? No, go back, or yes, continue. So let's go yes, continue. Then this screen will pop up. It'll then say number 2, enter the amount. So my maximum amount that I can share is my entire wallet. So 75 Rand. I can put a note in there. What is this for? Towards LLA, towards your lifetime license activation. Obviously, it's not going to be enough because an LLA is 150 Rand. But in any case, there we go. Your transfer limits as a new user used today. How much have you done today? Remaining amount, you can do up to 1,000 Rand a day. But you've only got one transfer that you can do per day. Okay, how many transfers done today? 1 of 1, or 0 of 1. So I can go and I can share this one. So I go okay. Then it will go and it'll tell me confirm transfer from me, One4Me, to the user, the amount, a note, and then what will my new balance be? And then just a withdrawal hold. The recipient will receive these funds immediately, but they will need to wait 24 hours before they can withdraw them. This is a security measure to protect against fraud. Okay, so the person will not be able to withdraw the amount within a 24-hour period. So just be aware of that. I confirm that. Confirm and transfer. Boom, shakalaka. There we go. Transfer successful. So it will show me then the details, my new balance, and then also it'll just confirm that both of us have received an email. If I now go into my wallet, I will see that my wallet is 0. And there we go. I'm going to quickly pause this and then come back. Okay, so here I'm logged into the user's account that I transferred the money into. So if I click here on this option over here, you'll see there, that is my income potential. That is just my current wallet balance plus how much I could make in my matrix, how much my network is worth at the moment. That is just that total amount, but don't worry about that too much right now. More details, it takes me straight into my wallet, and there you can see that money is available in my wallet right there, my current wallet balance. So there we go. Isn't that cool? And this is so awesome because you can now help someone. If someone is struggling, if one of your close users, people who you want to register, is struggling to pay money into their through PayFast or whatever, or they don't have means, then what you can do is they can give you the money. You can then top up your wallet, transfer that money into their account, and they can then use it to register Okay, they will be able to use it to register their LLA, or also to register as a pro, to go as a pro. So let me quickly see if I can do that. Okay, fantastic. Here I am on the activation screen that you get after your 7-day free trial period, or at within that period when you want to activate, when you want to pay for either the license activation or to go pro. This is the screen that you will have. Obviously, what you need to do is you need to use the username and you need to activate the promo. Once you've activated the promo, look here. See, what you can see here now is it's going to show you how much you have in your wallet. And if you've got enough to pay for it, you'll be able to pay that specific thing from your wallet. So that is what it's going to look like on this activation screen. You will see there that the pay from your wallet option is there. And then also here is the GoPro screen. So if you are already a registered One4Me user, you will not see the previous screen that I showed you. If you click on the blue button that says activate or GoPro, it'll take you to this screen. And then what it will do is it'll also check how much money have you got in your wallet. Is it enough to pay for your pro? If it is, you will have a button there and boom, you can just use that to activate your pro account. Isn't that incredible? So there we go, people. We've got this top up your funds into your wallet and then also inter-wallet transfers. Have fun, enjoy using the system, and then let's just go out and get people to register.